our new project work from the representing our documentation. Last week, our respected teacher, math teacher Padma sir, gave us a new project work from the chapter of area and volume on the topic of square-based pyramid. So I made this model of square-based pyramid, and I also demonstrated the figure of square-based pyramid. In this square-based pyramid, the base is square, and the length side of base that is denoted by A is equal to 12 cm. The perpendicular line that is joining from vertex to the midpoint of base side, that is slant height denoted by L, is equal to 11.3 cm. The perpendicular line from vertex to the midpoint of base side, base surface is vertical height denoted by H, is equal to 9.4 cm. And the length of the edge of this square-based pyramid is 13 cm. Now the area of base is equal to A square is equal to 12.4 cm whole square is equal to, that equals to the 153.76 cm square. Secondly, area of triangular surface areas, that is also called lateral surface areas, LSA is equal to 2AL is equal to 2 into 12.4 cm into 11.4 cm, that equals to the 280.24 cm square. Third one is total surface area is equal to base area plus LSA is equal to 153.76 cm square plus 280.24 cm square, which equals to 434 cm square. And at last, volume, that is equal to 1 by 3 of base area, and height is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied 153.76 cm square into 9.4 cm is equal to 1445.344 cm cube upon 3, which equals to 481.8 cm cube. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am presenting our first project work given by our math teacher Padma Pathak, and I am presenting this project work on behalf of my group Geometry. And here I made two 3D figure pyramids with different measurements. And according to the first pyramid, its vertical height, which is denoted by H, is 5.5 cm, and slant height, which is denoted by L, is 7 cm. Base side of the pyramid, which is denoted by B, is 6 cm. And we derived base side of pyramid, which is denoted by A, is equals to 6 cm. And we derived all the formula of area of base, lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume the previous day. And according to the formula, the area of base is equals to A square, and here the base of the pyramid is 6 cm, so it's 6 square 36 cm. And lateral surface area, which formula is 2AL, and 2 into 6 into 7, because the slant height is 7 and base is 6. That's why the final result is 84 cm square. Total surface area, which we can also say the area of base plus lateral surface area, which in formula we can say A square plus 2AL. A square 6 square plus 2 into 6 into 7.
Today I am presenting the project of pyramid from our group algebra, and this is the three-dimensional figure of the pyramid. I measured the vertical length, slant height, and length of the base of this pyramid, and put out some and take out the area of base, area of triangular surface, total surface area, and volume. To take out the area of base, we have to multiply base 2 times, which is denoted by A, and the formula is A square, and the total area of base of this pyramid is 132.25 cm square. And after that, I take out the area of triangular surface. It is also called LSA of the pyramid, and the formula of LSA or the triangular surface of a pyramid is 2AL, and the result came out is 299 cm square. Then I put out the total surface area of this pyramid, and the formula to calculate total surface area is LSA plus area of base, which is denoted by 2AL plus A square, and the final result was 431.25 cm square. And at the last, I take out the volume of this pyramid, and the formula to take out the volume of this pyramid is 1/3 into A square, 1/3 times A square times H, and the final result was 462.8749 cm cube.
First project work given by our class teacher Padma Pathak sir. Here is a real figure of square base pyramid, and this is we derive this pyramid by actual length. Here is the side length of triangles. Here is the these are the three-dimensional figure, and here is the equal length of triangles, and it is a square based pyramid, and it is our first postcode, and here is the formulas of area base of this pyramid. Area base is equal to a square, and the area of triangle surface is equal to 2al, and total surface area is equal to a square plus 2al, or a bracket a plus 2al. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 a square l. And here is the figure of this triangular pyramid. It is known as sides of triangles. It is also side of triangles, and it is height. It is length, and it is base. Base is denoted by span A. A is equal to pi into cn. Length is denoted by span. It is a straight line which is denoted by L is equal to 70 cm, and size of triangles is equal to 20 cm. And here is the area base. Here is the area base of this square based pyramid is equal to a square, and 22 cm square whole square is equal to 484 cm square, and the area of triangle surface is equal to 2al. Triangle surface area, it means that those four sided, which is known as triangle surface area. Area of triangle surface is equal to 2 into 22 into 17, or there is the base length. There are four sides are equal, and it is known as denoted by span A is equal to 748 cm square. Triangle surface is equal to 748 cm square, and all total surface area is equal to a square plus 2al, and lastly volume is equal to 1 by 3 a square l, and the volume of this triangular pyramid is equal to 2458.66 cm cube, and this is our closing point given by Dr.